Yes, the rich get richer and the poor beget children. I am telling you that the writer says that the rich people are getting richer and the poor beget children, and the poor people are giving birth to the children which condemns them to remain poor. It is the main cause why they remain under poverty line. It is the main reason that they are giving more children, so they remain under poverty line. More children does not mean more work. More children means more unemployment. More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. It is suggested that it is not suggested that the human beings be treated like cattle, but it does not mean that human beings must be treated like animals, because after all human beings are human beings. Human beings is more than the animals. Human beings have mind to think. They could do new things in their life, and compulsorily sterilized, and there is no option for us only to have the family planning, but there is no alternative to voluntary family planning without introducing an element of coercion. Now the writer says that if we want to have development on our earth, so we have to follow the family planning in our life. Only we can save our earth. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. Now the choice is in your hand. Now the ball is in your own court. अब गेंद ये आपके पाले में, what you have to choose. Okay, you have to choose either the control of population or be in poverty. The population of India is estimated to be 920 million today. Now the population of India is estimated 920 million. It is the international figure, more than the entire population of Africa and South America put together. If we put the population of Africa and South America put together, we have the population of India. इन दो देशों की पॉपुलेशन को मिला करके हमारी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन बन जाती है. Now you can guess. No one familiar with the conditions in India would doubt. Now everybody is familiar with the condition of India. There is no doubt the hope of the people would die in their hungry hutments. The expectations, the hope of the people are dying in their hungry hutments, because they are hunger, they are ill-fed, they are not getting proper food to satisfy their belly, so their hopes are dying. उनकी उम्मीदें भी मरती जा रही है, because they are unable to get the proper food only because of increasing population. Unless population control is given topmost priority, so it is our duty that we should give topmost importance to control population. It becomes our pious duty to have a control on our increasing population. For the first time in human history, we see a transcending concern. Now, first time in the human history, we are seeing a change in the view of the people. The survival not just of people, but of the planet. The question is not for the survival of the people, but for the planet. At any cost, we have to save our planet, our own earth. We have begun to take a holistic view of the very basis of our existence. Now we have started to think over that view. If we want to live on our earth, if we want our survival on this earth, so we have to follow some rules on this earth. The environmental problem does not necessarily signal our demise. The environmental problem does not signify that we are facing our death or we are going to die, but it is our passport for the future. But we are making our future fit by changing in our view that the question is not for the survival of the people, but question is the survival of our planet. If our planet gets survived, okay, so we will have life on this earth. It does not mean that we are facing our death, but it means that we are facing we are maintaining or we are making our future quite fit, quite strong. The emerging new world vision has ushered in the era of responsibility. The new era, the view of new era is of having responsibility. जो नया युग है वो किस चीज का है? That is having our own responsibility. हमारी अपनी जिम्मेदारी रखने का है. It is holistic view. No doubt, it's a very pure view, an ecological view, seeing the world as an integrated whole rather than dissociated collection of parts. We have to see the whole world as an integrated whole. Actually, the world is divided into many parts. But we have not to see all those parts in the world, but we have to make the world integrated. हमें इस संसार को अखंड बनाना है. Okay, so we have to save our earth. The earth is our world, so we have not to break it. We have to make the whole world integrated, united. हमें पूरे संसार को एक करना है, अखंडता के रूप में इसको देखना है. Yes, industry has the most crucial role to play in this new era of responsibility. Now, industry can play a very important role for this new era of responsibility. Industry को भी अपना एक बहुत बड़ा role play करना है. What a transformation would be effected if more businessmen share the view of the chairman of DuPont. There was a chairman of DuPont. All the businessmen have to share the feelings of that man. The name of chairman is Mr. Edgar S. Bullard, who 5 years ago declared himself to be the company's chief environmental officer. This man has declared himself chief environmental officer. He said a very important statement. Our continued existence as a leading manufacturer. Now we are on this earth as a leading manufacturer. हम इस धरती पर एक मैन्युफैक्चर, एक कर्ता के रूप में है, एक प्रोडक्ट देने के रूप में है. Requires that we excel in environmental performance. So we have to maintain. The performance of our environment. अगर हमारा environment अच्छा होगा, तभी हम कुछ अच्छा प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. Because we are as the producer on this earth. हम इस धरती पर एक उत्पादक के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं. Of all the statements made by Margaret Thatcher. Margaret Thatcher was the British Prime Minister. Okay? The years of her prime ministership, when she was in the ruling party or during her prime ministership, अपने प्रधानमंत्री काल के दौरान, none has passed so decisively into the current coin of English uses as her fallacious worship. She gave a very important coin. She has given a very important coin in her statement. उन्होंने अपने स्टेटमेंट में भी एक बहुत अच्छा कॉइन दिया, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया दिया था. क्या कहा था उन्होंने no generation has a free hold on this earth. No one has a free hold on this earth. इस धरती पर किसी का कोई स्वतंत्र अधिकार नहीं है. Okay, so we have not a free hold on this earth. All we have is life tenancy. Actually, we are just like a tenant. We are just like a tenant on this earth. हम इस धरती पर किराएदार के रूप में हैं. Okay, now we are living on this earth for a certain period of time. When we when we die, we will have to leave this earth for the coming generation. So no one can prove. So no one can prove his freehold on this earth. इस पर किसी का कोई पैदाइशी अधिकार नहीं है. Okay, with a full repairing lease, yes, we are here on this earth only for a short time. As far as we are living on this earth, as long as we are alive on this earth. In the words of Mr. Lester Brown, he was a very great man, and he also gave his words. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have not taken this earth from our forefathers as a property. We have not taken this earth from our ancestors as a property. जैसे कि पूर्वज हमें अपनी प्रॉपर्टी देते हैं और उस पर हमारा फ्री होल्ड होता है. Now the man says that we have not taken this earth from our ancestors as a property. हमने इस धरती को अपने ancestor से किसी प्रॉपर्टी के रूप में नहीं लिया है. We have borrowed it from our children, but we have borrowed this earth. We have borrowed this earth from our children. बल्कि ये धरती को हमने अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है. Getting or not? So, in other words, we can say that we don't have any freehold on this earth. We are sharing. We are sharing this earth with other living beings. Okay, so we have to use the resources of this earth in a limited way. It means we should not misuse the resources of this earth. We have to leave it for our coming generation. जो नई पीढ़ी आने वाली है उसके लिए भी हमें इस धरती को जो रिसोर्सेज हैं उनको छोड़कर जाना. Getting or not? Hello students.
Yes, sir.
The chapter is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the chapter is very important, is now completed. So we can move to the next chapter. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The Browning version. Our next chapter is the Browning version. It is also a very beautiful chapter.
Excuse me, sir.
The Browning.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta, speak. Hello. Speak up. Time is over.
सर प्रीवियस चैप्टर का क्या करना है? वो करना नहीं है अभी.
लैंडस्केप बड़ा.
Yes, sir. Because
Excuse me, sir.
वो हमारा हुआ नहीं है.
Okay, that's all, beta. I will teach you. I will teach you later. Okay.
Sir.
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
बोलो.
Sir, मुझे
Speak up.
Yes, sir. दृष्टि त्यागी.
Name?
सर दृष्टि त्यागी. सर ये सर एक्चुअली जब आपने अटेंडेंस ली थी दृष्टि त्यागी.
दृष्टि त्यागी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Speak up. बोलिए.
सर जब आपने अटेंडेंस ली थी उस टाइम पे मेरी वो मतलब बार बार क्लास लीव हो रही थी और बार बार ज्वाइन हो रही थी, तो जब आप अटेंडेंस ले रहे थे तो मेरी हो नहीं पाई थी।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आई हैव मार्क योर प्रेजेंस, ओके। 11B
थैंक
ना,
यू सर।
11B,
थैंक यू सर। यस सर।
okay beta. Now the Browning version. What Browning version is a very beautiful story. There are only 3 characters in this chapter. Okay, first of all, Taplow. Taplow, a student. Taplow is a student. Teacher, Mr. Frank. And a very important character in this chapter is Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Crocker Harris. This person is not present in the story, but he is present throughout the play. Okay, there is no dialogue of this character in the story. Okay, but this character dominates the whole play. This Mr. Crocker Harry and Mr. Frank both are teachers, and there is a vast difference between the character of Frank and Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow is the student of Mr. Crocker Harris. Now Taplow comes to school. Taplow comes to school and he finds that Mr. Harris was not present in the school. So Taplow confronts Mr. Frank. Confront means सामना करता है. Okay, so there is a conversation between Frank and Taplow. Why does Taplow come to school on that day? Actually, Taplow comes to school for having his report card. Okay, the report card have to be given by Mr. Crocker Harris to Taplow, but Taplow gets a punishment given by Crocker Harris because one day Taplow was absent in the school. Hello. Okay, now because of the absent on that day, Mr. Harris gave him a punishment to attend the school for extra work. Okay, so Taplow is given extra work by Mr. Crocker Harris. Now, on that topic, Taplow and Frank has a conversation. इनके बीच एक conversation होता है. Hello, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, mute yourself. This is an extract from the Browning version. This is a very small part of the Browning version. The scene is set in a school. The whole scene is of a school. Frank is young and Crocker Harris is middle-aged. Frank is a young man and Crocker Harris is a middle-aged teacher. एक मतलब above 40. Okay, like that. The people with the or having the age of 40 known as a middle-aged teacher, middle-aged person. Both are masters. You know masters. Both are teachers. Taplow is a boy of 16. The age of Taplow is 16, who has come in to do extra work for Crocker Harris. And Taplow comes to school to do the extra work given by Crocker Harris. But the letter has not yet arrived. But later means जो character है बाद वाला Crocker Harris is not present in the school. And Frank finds Taplow waiting, and Frank sees Taplow waiting for Crocker Harris. आया कि फ्रैंक देखता है टेप्लो को कि वो क्रॉकर हैरिस का वेट कर रहा होता है. फ्रैंक, डू आई नो यू? Taplo, no sir, you don't know me. Frank, what's your name? Taplo, Taplo. Frank, Taplo, no, I don't know you. मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता. I don't know you. You are not a scientist, I gather. I think you are not the students of science stream, as I think. Taplo, no sir. No sir, I am not the student of science stream. I am still in the lower fifth. I am in the standard of fifth. Okay. I can't specialize until next term. So I can't have science. I can't have special subject till the next term. मैं अगले टर्म तक कोई ऐसा सब्जेक्ट नहीं ले सकता. That is to say, if I have got my remove all right, if I can get my report card all right, but it does not showing time, the time is over. Okay, bachcho, that is for all to you. Okay, meet you the next time with the chapter of the Browning version.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.